If it's 4725,
There we go.
Nah.
That's crazy.
Let me go see the stream. Yeah, it's running. It's good.
Let me go see the stream. Yeah, it's running. It's good.
Oh damn, my
Alright.
mic is super loud.
Yeah, let me go in here and fix some of this stuff real quick.
Yeah, let me go in.
Yeah. All right.
All right. We're starting to flip already. Oh my God.
Oh. I think shorts might be the play.
Yeah.
Let's see, man. We're hitting that OB now. I told you, man, they're not gonna play nice today. They're not gonna let everyone just buy and just make money like yesterday.
Exactly. Even if you made money yesterday.
Yeah.
They're just going to make you close your buys.
So I'm right now eyeing 7 a.m. lows on ES. You see those relative equal lows? I want to see if we can hit that.
Yeah.
I'm just waiting for like a higher time frame bearish close. It's ugly so far. Damn, look at the Dow. The Dow just got gutted.
All right. So
Wicks
we're
be
good.
wicking.
What I want to do is I have to fix your
Just the audio.
I don't understand. I see your screen, but it's not letting me adjust your screen. Oh, that's why. Okay, I get it. I get it. All right, so we got that, and then we need your stream here. Okay, so when I close mine, no, it's just gone. This is so stupid. My mic is loud too. Let me bring it down. That should be better. All right. No, OBS is the problem here. There it is. All right, cool. So these 5-minute charts here aren't really doing much. You can still hear me though, right, bro?
Open the chat. Oh, that's the wrong.
I can hear you now, yeah.
Oh, you can hear me, right? Rock.
Yeah.
Okay. You sound like you're having some technical difficulties over there, brother.
Bro, it's this stupid OBS, bro. But what I'm doing is I'm just trying to get your stream situated, and it won't load. But I think I got it now. Finally, my goodness. Luckily, the markets aren't doing anything right now, so.
Yeah, you're good. Yeah. Bang, bang, bang.
All right, there we go. There it is. So now I can throw your chart on there, and if you want to explain anything,
Yeah,
I'll finish
so
doing my levels here.
currently I'm waiting for 10 a.m. open because right now we are just wicking right now, just accumulating on the higher time frame. So I'm waiting for that a new 4-hour candle to see if we can close above this high to give me a bullish bias. But so far I am not really heavy on bulls or sells, just waiting. Very wicky right now. I don't think you fixed it, but it's okay, Rock.
You mean the breathing, right?
Yeah, I can hear myself breathe, man, like a mile away. 7T with ES.
So here, let me add them. I put the filters on it.
Yeah.
Actually, no, it took it off. Yeah, when I closed it out, it took it off. So now it's back on there. Audio setting, yeah, should be back on there, bro. But I'm using the filters that are being offered on this website. So who knows if these are actually good, you know, effects and stuff.
I thought you can do internal, like internal microphone. You know how like in Discord? But
That's what it's giving me. It says noise compressor gate. That's the only thing I can do though.
it's okay.
If I do the joint stream filter, I could probably do that. Yeah, let's see. I could actually do that. Yeah. Audio filters. Yeah. Let me do noise suppression. Try to speak now.
Yo, yo.
Oh, it's super compressed. Try it now.
Let me. Is this going to the stream, or is it, or you? Is that only through you can hear it?
Yeah, it's on the stream.
Let me go check.
Yeah, I can hear it on the stream. Yeah, I can hear it on the stream.
Oh, that's better. That's better.
Oh, better.
Yeah, I like that. That's good. That's good.
Yeah, I like that.
Yeah, that's perfect.
Now let's get these shorts.
Yeah, so I really
Alright,
like this
cool.
SMT right now with ES taking this high. We got relative equal lows on ES. Sorry, NQ. I don't know if you see that 7 a.m. low. These smooth. This is just too smooth right here.
Yeah.
So let's see if we can get some shorts today. What are you thinking, Rock, today?
Yeah, so same idea that you're saying.
Yeah.
The one thing I want to see is I just want to see YM stay bearish. You know, if YM tries to flip back bullish here, that's going to be the SMT off the low.
Let me see why. Oh, holy
Continue
dump.
higher.
YM dumping,
Yeah, we've already
man.
taken out everything.
So look at that 4-hour close on YM. That's super bearish. When you see a 4-hour wick like that,
Facts.
and then you can bust out the standard deviation. So look at this, Rock. Look, this is how I use the deviation on. Look at how this deviation lines up perfectly with this low right here. Right here. So this might be a potential draw. I'm just like, you know, like just brainstorming ideas right now. Potential
If
targets.
this is that, yeah. If this is that manipulation move, then
Yeah.
the target should be -2, -2.5.
Yeah. You look at the 90-minute and 15-minute. This up was this accumulation. This is your AMD profile: accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Now we want to see the same pattern with indices, right? If it wants to follow suit.
Exactly. Yep. I concur.
Yes.
What I want to see here is we're getting a little more manipulation towards these highs.
Yeah.
If we can continue to hold these order blocks on ES, that would be clean.
But this 4-hour close is pretty bullish on the indices, though.
It's funny, right? Yeah, they're completely opposite right now.
Yeah.
But we are chilling. I'm actually about to buy another eval.
Oh, really? Oh, yeah. What
See
firms are
if,
you trading with right now? I was going to ask you last time, but forgot.
The markets want to.
Are you with still with the Alpha futures? I think you said you're
Bless me
trading
with another funded today.
ROC, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
I said, are you still trading with Alpha?
Oh no, it's funded next.
Funded next. Yeah, I remember you told me.
Yeah, funded next is the GOAT, bro. Cool, bro. So it's going to be a pretty bearish move if you ask me. I love how YM isn't even bothering to go higher right now. That right there tells you a lot. And you get that manipulation off these highs. We're back above these overnight highs on NASDAQ.
Mm-hmm.
So a nice move back underneath. We should be good, bro.
Yeah, that's kind of throwing me off too, man. Like, I don't like how Dow is trading way lower.
It's usually chill as long as Dow doesn't try to make that run back higher. We're chilling. It'll drag the other two lower typically.
Yeah. Usually Dow is dirty like that. It's like,
yeah, it just runs. It's gone. Yeah, I'm watching closely here. I like this.
Yeah. SMT's still holding on the highs.
Facts.
We'll see if we can get a short.
Yeah, I'm about to pull up some of these YouTubers while we wait. See if they're in any trades. Oh, look at that. Tanya's already buying. Here we go.
Oh, she's already buying?
She went long at 7,017. So right here on ES, she's buying ES. See how that goes.
I wouldn't be surprised, bro. I mean, like, listen, I like if today is like yesterday, I probably won't take a trade today. Like, I already know. I it's hard for me.
I don't see it. It might start to show, but right now this looks so bearish. Oh my goodness.
Yeah. To me, this is trapping buyers. Like, you see how it's building all this LR right here?
Right.
Waiting and waiting.
Thanks, yeah. Oh, it's echoing. All right, so let me go in here and fix that. You're echoing. So I need to do this. Should be good now, right, guys? I think the echo is because.
Oh, it's echoing.
Who knows, bro? OBS is strange. Still echoing.
Let me
go over here real quick. Didn't have any of these issues last time. This was the same exact setup. Any of these issues?
Oh yeah, it's echoing bad.
What about now? Should be good now. Solid ascension.
Let me see.
Nope.
Yeah, still echoing.
How about now? There we go. But now we can't hear Obi. Oh, okay. Okay. I get it. Okay. There we go. Should be good now. Nope. Still echoing.
You can hear me?
I can hear you, yeah.
That's strange.
It's so stupid, bro. Like, monitor and output, monitor off.
What the heck? Oh, there we go.
So everything's good now, right?
Oh. SMT still holding.
All right, cool. So what I'll have to do is make sure I'm not doubling everything. Monitor on. All right, there it is. Yeah, so we're looking for these shorts, man. There it is. Yeah, so we're looking for these shorts, man.
Let's see where
It's still echoing. Or am I tripping? I don't know. Are you watching the stream, Obi?
Yeah, I was watching it. You want to check the echoing again?
No. I was thinking that maybe that was causing it, but I was thinking that maybe that was.
No, I wasn't watching. I'm watching it now. We're good though. Everything's good.
We're good though. Everything's good. Okay, yeah. I can hear the stream in your background. That's what it is.
No. I had it up. Now I just turned it off.
Okay, perfect. So we're good then. Yeah. All right, are we gonna get this flip here? YM still looking bearish, right? Yeah.
Dude, what the heck? Come on. Trading view.
Here we go. Tanya's in the buys. Oh, that's crazy. Tanya's really in a buy right now. We're about to go so short, kid.
That's why I want to short it, bro. Hunter, stop, baby. Something like this.
Man, let me see if I can get this going.
I just really like these relative equal lows on ES and this SMT's holding.
Mm-hmm. I want to see price start closing back underneath 930 open on ES.
Look at the Dow, ROC. That thing said, we ain't going high.
Still dumping, right?
Still dumping.
Yeah. What else is down here, kid? Let's see. Got that previous week high. There's a lot of stuff down here that was not even bothered yesterday, so. Previous daily low chilling right here.
Let me see what's going here. Tricky.
Yeah, we're chilling, bro. Usually the move isn't until like closer to 11 anyway.
Yeah. So, how you been, brother? How's life? Let's talk a little bit till these markets start moving. How's the chat doing? Let me see the chat. How's everyone doing? How's everyone's week going?
Anything changed? Nope. Yeah, we're still chilling here. I'm gonna share my screen here. That's what I'm looking at. So we have the manipulation move higher was at 940 for the most part. So with that bearish move, I like that we closed through that previous bullish candle, given that order block. So now I want to see this order block hold up on ES while we trade above it on NASDAQ. And then slam back lower on ES here. I'll be looking to short ES. Something like that. Like this here. Close underneath 930, retest, bang.
Ever so slightly back in. Just visually gauge that. Where is that thing? Oh, now we're trading back into the range.
Yeah, everybody's in longs on my feed too. ROC.
Uh-oh, they might be jumping the gun, bro. They might be jumping the gun, bro. But the one thing I would say is, yeah, like they mentioned in the chat, YM is tapping into a lot of bullish areas here. So I will agree with the buys if we can see YM start flipping aggressively.
Yeah, definitely
Then
possibility.
yeah.
If you see a 5-minute flip with order block retest, it's game time. You know, with YM.
He said ICT himself took like 3 L's already.
What? How? He's
What was he
live
buying?
trading?
What was he doing? He probably was selling it.
Oh, damn.
ICT inner circle trader.
Yo, tell ICT to come watch ROC Trades. Learn how to trade.
Just tell him to chill, bro. How you have 3 trades before 10 a.m.? What you doing, man?
That's hilarious. Yeah, man. Listen, man. I love Michael ICT, bro. He taught me everything, but like, I will not take his signals. He is not the best sometimes when it comes to like high, like this type of price action. He's good in like low liquidity resistance price action.
My bad. I had to step away real quick.
That's all good, brother. So far,
Oh, Tanya did.
it's-
Yeah, she did catch a buy.
Yeah, it's doing exactly what it did yesterday so far.
She has the simplest entry model in America.
Yeah, I like her entry model. I practically use her entry model too, the 1 minute change in the state. But like, I have to have that higher time frame alignment, you know?
Right. I'm still eyeing these shorts.
Same. We got all of this liquidity. Look at just all of this built up liquidity. ES is the weaker pair definitely today. But I'm not gonna, force anything. First presented, and then this is the bullish.
So 10 a.m. did open lower. So that right there could start leading to that bullish idea.
Where did 10 a.m. open? Oh, 10 a.m. opens right here. Yeah, opened lower for like one candle. One candle traded lower, and it just started trading higher and higher.
For like literally. Yeah, same thing I had to deal with yesterday.
Yeah. So yesterday, you said you took the second stage of accumulation and then distribution. That's what you took.
Mm-hmm.
I might have to, take one of them trades with you today then, because I can't trade this. This is just crazy. Just step laddering up the whole day. What makes it difficult for me, ROC, is like because it doesn't sweep the significant lows or highs. You know what I mean? Like, you want to see a nice retracement.
Yeah, I get it.
Doesn't do it.
Shorts are starting to look played out.
Yup.
YM. If we can get a closure back above 10 a.m. on YM, that'll solidify.
I mean, you said that the Dow is in a 4-hour gap. I just saw it. You could technically buy the Dow if you want to buy the weakest asset.
I still don't think this is enough for me to want to buy though. Give it some time, it'll be a little bit more clear.
I love that about you right there. What most traders lack. The patience, willing to wait to see the setup. Yeah. Look at that.
Notice YM is not showing any genuine effort to go higher yet.
It's hitting that. I think it wants to hit that daily order block that it formed on Friday. On the daily chart on YM.
Fire, yeah, that would be reasonable. Right next to that previous daily low.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're chilling though, bro. But this is where you can get like that second stage confirmation. Once we break past 10 a.m. and then we attempt to go lower, it's giving you that order
Look for
block to
buys,
play off
'cause
of if it wants to break. Hold it. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Bro, this little boy just be screaming. Yeah, a strong close above this attempt to go lower here. A retest. A valid retest. I like higher. And YM should start catching up here shortly. Let's get above this 10 a.m. down close candle. I don't even know what made people want to buy this, bro. I mean, you could tell there was SMT off of these lows.
I mean,
like, bro, that was a little too
it's just
soon.
yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, look at the higher time frame. We're not getting any retracements, and it's just it's on just straight bullish mode activated. You know. So.
Yeah, bro, we're chilling. We gotta chill.
ES is about to make all-time highs. We're literally 20 handles away. No, 13 handles away from all-time highs.
Bro, that's insane, bro.
The continuous contracts. So the new contracts, we still have like another 50, 60 handles.
Okay, yeah. So yeah, there goes your close.
All-time high. All-time high.
Yeah, I don't know.
See, this is why sometimes I trade Asia, man, because when I don't catch anything in the AM, I'm like, let me trade the Asia session. This is why also shorting this right now is dangerous, because as soon as you see an SMT form, that could be the catalyst to send price higher. So it's pretty tricky shorting this too. You got to be very precise.
Oh yeah, definitely. That's where like the 5-minute chart plus these YM and ES and NASDAQ, they officially like provide that filter for me to sit on the sideline until all three of them are telling me the same thing.
And if it doesn't, you sit on your hands, right?
Exactly, yeah. Exactly. Yep.
I had that conversation with my friend yesterday who's trying to get in trading. He's like, what separates a profitable trader and a non-profitable trader? And that's basically, like, in a nutshell, what I told him. When your fundamental analysis doesn't align with your technical analysis and your strategy, you don't take a trade. Simple as that.
On this note, though, I think it may be time for some breakfast, bro.
I forgot. It's like 10 o'clock over there where you live. Must be nice,
yeah, bro.
Rock. Must be nice.
I didn't eat breakfast.
Wait, you live in Florida, right? Or somewhere out? Like, what state do you live in?
Yeah, Florida.
Florida. Yeah, man. It's nice over there. Are you guys like, is it raining over there right now? Or is it like sunny? Like the weather?
Sunny, bro. It's usually super sunny and a little bit of extra sunny on the side.
Yeah, I feel it, man. I live out here in LA Bay. It's pretty, like, we got really good weather over here. Always sunny. I don't think I don't like about Florida is the humidity.
Facts, yeah. Very humid.
Yeah, man. Let's go. If you want to get breakfast, you're more than, wait for that second stage delivery,
Oh yeah, bro. It's nothing. I'll set some alerts here.
Yeah.
And my breakfast is already made. My wife made it before she left.
Oh, good, man.
So it takes me, all I do is warm it up.
Your meal prep and all that too? Like, you be like meal prepping and working out?
Skip the working out, but meal prep, yeah.
Come on, man. You're a football player, brother. You gotta be hitting them weights. Gotta stay busy.
Way too much going on in my brain to work out. I will though. It was like every day for like years. I won't say every day, but every week for years for me in the gym working out. So once I took a break and I got a taste of just not having to do it.
You like that comfort, huh? You're like, oh, it feels good. It feels good, baby.
Yeah. Real.
You know what's funny? I was at the gym the other day. I was playing basketball with this dude, and then this dude ends up being this football player, an NFL player. I was like, because I was asking him, like, man, you're pretty big. He's like, yeah, I play for NFL. He's from Ohio. I was like, that's crazy.
What team did he say?
Niners. He plays for the Niners. He's like he just got transferred, he said. He came from, he's here on like a contract. His name was like Eli something. Maple, something like that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's nothing like being a football player, bro. You work like maybe 6-7 months out of the year.
Yeah.
And then you get to stay at home and train and.
Yeah, he said it's off season, so he's just chilling right now. He just doesn't do anything. So that's how it is, huh? Life as a football player.
Yeah, from like January, February, all the way until I want to say July, August. You don't have nothing to do but self-train and stay in shape on your own.
Mm-hmm.
Takes a lot of discipline though, bro. That's
For what?
that's probably what helps me trade, to be honest.
To be like a healthy year round, be you know, active.
Like a legit pro football player or a sports player.
Hmm. I just like I don't know how you
Yeah,
do with all the
'cause,
stress on your joints and all your muscles, constant stress. And
is bro, so many supplements and protein packets and all that.
have you did you ever get injured? Like, have you ever had an injury?
Yeah, my injuries were more concussion.
My friend tore his ACL in high
Running full
school.
speed into 260 pounders.
Oh yeah, see, that's crazy, dog. I don't know. Hey man, salute to you, bro.
It's stupid, bro. Yeah, salute to whoever took a chance on these buys.
Yeah,
YM
man.
begs to differ.
Feel happy for them. Good. If you took these buys, guys, you did a great job today. Following higher time frame order flow. Just buying and holding. The way I trade, I unfortunately I can't. That's fine.
Yeah, man. I still think it might go lower.
Really? You have a bearish?
It's just YM, bro.
Yeah. I mean, I'm open to it.
YM
I'm
attempted
like,
to go higher and failed again.
oh,
So-
wait a second. Let's see. Yeah. YM's failing, man. Oh my god, YM is dumping. Ah, dude.
Yeah, bro, it's giving you very bearish vibes. ES and NQ, it hasn't really gone anywhere. You feel me? Like if you really look at the 10 a.m. open, it's maybe
we're up
one
about 80
push
handles.
above it.
That's it.
That's it.
About 80 handles, 80 points. That's it.
That's it. Yeah, bro. If we can flip underneath 10 a.m. like we were talking about earlier,
Yeah.
I will start looking for shorts. Very easily.
So this is trading, you know, this is what trading is, sitting here on your hands, waiting most of the time for your model, you know.
Yeah, it's trash. Trading is not fun, bro. It's only fun when you're in a trade that's winning.
Yeah.
And that's like
hella
what,
true.
like 20% of the time?
Yeah. I would say less than 20%, bro. I take like maybe like max 2 trades every, like, I would say I'll take like 3-4 trades a week. How about yourself? That's like, so like, let's do the math. Boom, boom. Say you're on the charts for like 3 hours a day. 3 hours a day times 5, 15 hours. 15 hours.
No way this is gonna keep going, bro. This is ridiculous. Let's check some news. Maybe we're missing out on some headlines. Financial juice. Juice.
Dude, I literally just did the math, ROC. So, on average, let's say you're on the charts for 3 hours a day, and you take, let's say, 4 trades a week on average, and typically, your trades, let's say they take about 10 to 12 minutes to go to TP. That means you're in a trade less than 4% of the time. That means 96% of the time you're just sitting there. That's crazy.
That sounds about right. Yeah, bro. Nothing about trading is like exciting except for, like you say, about 10 to 15% max.
No, that's just even less than that.
You got to include those payout days. Those payout days are like,
yeah,
6%, 7%.
Yeah. Well, I love payout days, man. My favorite. Payout has to be like the #1 word on my timeline, social media. Well, that's how you're gonna scale your social media, dog. Just put payout everywhere. How I got a payout, how I did this. Plus, you're streaming already, so you got that part down.
I don't know, bro. This might actually go higher. So how I read this would be, we attempted to go lower here, failed to go lower. Strong bullish move through this down close candle. That's your order block. Any drive back into this order block, you're expecting bullishness. So once you see that bullishness,
This gap I'm participating in. We had a stop hunt.
I'm looking to see if this actually works
A short idea?
for a
You
continuation
talking about?
trade.
Oh, the continuation. Okay.
This will be a buy. Yeah, this reaction is undeniable right now. And you just hope that YM starts to agree here before you take a trade.
Damn, man, this thing is just so bullish.
It's trash, bro.
Dude, didn't I tell you before market open? I said, Rock, get ready to close your eye and click buy.
Facts. Like, at least give us some sort of deep drive so we can, get a good entry price.
We're literally less than 10 handles away from all-time highs on ES.
1035.
This would be the perfect time to just pull the plug on all these guys in longs and just smack them in the face.
I think it's gotta go long here now. This reaction kind of gives it away.
Yeah.
With YM trying here, if we can just get YM to flip, I like it. And like you say, set your TP at all-time highs, man.
What was that yesterday that happened? Did you see that they got on the news watch gurus that they got rid of the PBD rule?
Yeah.
The 25,000 PBD rule. It's pretty dope.
That's for options, right?
No, it's not for options. It's for any trade. It's pattern day trading. Even penny stocks, I believe.
Okay.
Yeah. You ever
More
traded
money for
options
them to
before?
steal.
Yeah, exactly. You ever dabbled with options before?
Oh yeah, for sure, bro. I was in options before I ever did futures or forex.
Mm.
Options suck though.
Yeah. I be seeing them boys on Twitter be making crazy money off options. 100% return, 200% returns.
I mean, they trade so many different tickers. I guess that makes it worth it. You know what I mean? But
Yeah.
you dig into the company's income statements, balance sheets,
Mm.
you can catch a nice move. But I was always more like, bro, just I'm looking for 1 or 2 stocks that I can master.
Become a
And then-
sniper, and that's it.
Keep it simple, right? But
Yeah.
yeah. Bro, this looks so bullish, kid. I want to buy it, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the technique that we used yesterday. Wait for price to take out this swing high. It's going to pull back. And then look for the pullback rejection for a continuation. This is your 1 minute order block that's holding price right here. Very clean. Same setup from yesterday. Like, bro, when I say yesterday was identical, like you said,
Same thing.
same exact setup.
Hey, if you don't mind, what time did you take that? So, like, what time did that happen yesterday? Around what time?
Here, let me pull it up. It was 10:45.
10:45.
Yeah, AM. So this was it right here. We had that order block here with
Okay.
the green boxes. Never got retested on the breakout.
Mm-hmm.
And then we break out of here and we pull back and maintain the same order block I just highlighted on the 1 minute.
Yeah.
You can see it right here. It'll be the exact same profile here. So price drove right back into here and respected this yellow box. Buy it and it ripped non-stop for the rest of the day. So yeah, and then YM should start flipping bearish candles eventually. Come on, bro. What is this? Yeah, there goes your pullback.
Doing it each day. And put yourself in this
All right, cool. Let's see, man. What his name is? Michael Huddleston?
Michael J. Huddleston, yeah. Michael J. Huddleston.
Let's see what happens here, bro. I am definitely thinking about buying this, though.
What the heck?
Boom, boom, boom. Just drive. There we go. I need a deep drive here. Yesterday's setup gave you a very solid drive back into this yellow area on both charts. Right now, ES is tapping into it. YM tapping into this lower down close candle.
Oh, okay, so you're looking at buys off that 130 area, that yellow box.
130. Yeah, for
130 level.
Nasdaq, right? Yeah. So what I'm doing is basically using the 5-minute change in the state green zone. Any tap into it with the flip of a bearish candle is another change in the state. This range right here is what I expect to hold, that retest change in the state. And then what I'll do is I'll just go down inside of this 5-minute change of the state and find 1-minute order blocks that are holding. So like if you look closely, you can see we closed through this bearish candle and whipped into it multiple times and broke. Right, so now that we take this high, I'm wanting to see how far we pull back, because we know like price loves to pull back after sweeping highs and lows, right?
So if it does pull back, we should see that in this next 30-minute candle, because I don't think it's to do with this 30-minute candle.
Exactly.
What time? 11 o'clock.
The power of 3. Yeah. 11 a.m. pull back lower would be fire. Actually, I want to go look at yesterday. When was that pullback? Was it at 11? Yesterday. Right here, so very clean, bro. 10, 15, you get a change in the state. Here it is. Yeah, this is it right here. So we tap into this bearish candle, flip, take the high. You're right, bro. Look at it. 11 a.m. on the dot. You get the pullback, which sweeps internal swings.
Yeah.
Respecting the original order block here. And then boom. This was a trade yesterday. Same thing. It's crazy. Look at what time we take this high. 10:50. Now look at today. What time did we take out this high? 10:45, 10:50. It's crazy.
There is no algorithm. It's buying and selling pressure, bro.
That's crazy, bro. If this ends up pulling back at 11, I'm gonna cry. I might full port this.
Full port it? Shit.
Yeah, get an eval and pass it right now.
Hey man, I got no consistency on my funded, so I can just full port anything. But I don't want to be I don't want to blow any of them up though. So
that's the catch. Yeah, if you know you got a winner though.
But this is an A+ in my books. This is like a good setup. A+,
Yeah,
bro,
it doesn't
you know what
become
A+ looks
to me until I see YM.
Yeah, exactly. YM give the SMT, then you see it start rallying higher, then you see Nasdaq trading lower in a key area, key level where you're looking for buys. That's A+.
Facts, yeah. Facts. The only thing that would make this semi A+ is if it does the same thing we saw yesterday. Then I would be like, all right, this is undeniable.
Full port.
So I'm
gonna add some alerts.
I just bought an eval right now.
Funded next.
Funded next, they give 30% off on the 25K accounts.
Uh-huh.
So I just got a 25K for $70. No consistency on the eval. No buffer needed for payout. Only 3 winning days.
Is there a max payout request?
Yeah. Each one has a max number.
Okay.
Bro, you're so right, bro. Look at 11. Watch it dump lower. This is hilarious. ES is pretty
Time.
much inside of this yellow zone already, though.
No, ES, I want to see ES come down to a 720 area. So that's
20.
Sorry, not seven, like
There
the
it
27,000.
11.
Yeah. Trade
Oh my
lower
goodness,
here.
bro. So I have to
Yeah.
be careful because we take this swing high at that 1030 swing.
Mm-hmm.
We could shift bearish right now.
Let me see.
Not rare.
We do have, yeah. Oh, I'll give it 30 more minutes, man. If I don't see a setup, I'm gonna call it after. I'm gonna call it at
X.
11:30 for myself. I'll let you
Mm-hmm.
do your thing.
Trust me, bro. I'm not standing on here long today either, bro.
As much as I want to, be in this, if it's not giving it to me, then I'm not gonna force it. I might trade Asia tonight again, bro, if you want to trade it with me. If we don't get anything today. You up around like 9, 10 o'clock?
I'm tempted to, bro.
Asia's clean,
It's
man.
just my wife's home then, so it's like,
Yeah.
what are you doing? Why are you on your computer? I thought you did that earlier today.
You
It's
should
like-
tell her to be like, shut up. I'm making money. I'm making money. Daddy gotta pay the bills.
Yeah.
Nah,
At that
man.
point, I probably
Yeah,
won't be
I
able to
don't-
stream.
Yeah, I don't want you to, get an argument
She'll
with
break
her.
my computer setup.
Yeah, that's the last thing I want, man.
I could be on my phone though, so if you're in the chat room or whatever, dropping screenshots of what you're expecting,
Yeah,
I could follow along.
because the thing about Asia, it's like Asia. The way you trade Asia is from 3 o'clock. So no, saying my time from 6 to 7:30. It's just building LR. It's just building liquidity, and then right around 8:30, 9, it reverses, and it takes out all the liquidity.
Mm-hmm.
It's just like it's very textbook, simple. And it's one
Yeah,
direction.
that trade you
also.
showed me yesterday was so clean.
Yeah. Dude, I got out right when the SMT formed and I was like, this thing might reverse. It came all the way and stopped everyone out and took out the highs. That's why shorting it right now is, you have to be very careful. Okay, so is this thing gonna pull back, or we're gonna get 1,000 green candles on the 5 minute?
I think it is. It looks like it's creeping lower here. Building, like you said, a bunch of low resistance underneath to just wipe out.
YM just hit the daily order block. Just an FYI. YM looks super clean.
You
for
should start
upside.
bouncing here shortly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, this thing looks clean, bro. I might be interested in YM, man. I just don't know the sizing on YM. Do you happen to know how that works? Like, I don't know the ticks. Not the ticks,
So
sorry,
look,
the sizing.
I'll show you the tool, bro.
Yeah.
Go on YM. Put
Okay.
your buy tool on there. Draw up the trade where you would put your stop.
So it'll be like this. It'll be
Right
like
click and you'll see create limit order.
create limit order, sell, buy limit, buy stop.
And there you and
Okay.
then- so it'll pop up on your chart where you can just adjust the contracts to match whatever your stop loss is.
Damn. YM don't be paying shit.
And bingo. Yeah, you got to
One
get off
mini?
the micros. That's why.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, 1 mini is, yeah, it's still smaller. Yeah, the contracts are smaller. But you can get it where you want it. Add some contracts. I want to see a dump. And retest.
I'll put alert on the Dow. This thing is so annoying, man. I hate when days like this happen. Is ICT live? Everyone's saying he's live. Oh, he is live. Oh, here's the pullback, bro. It is here.
What do you know? 11 o'clock, immediately lower.
Excuse me. Let me.
Why is YM so weak though? That's what's making me not want to buy this, bro.
Oh, if
That's
YM
the
flips
one
his
difference from
5-minute
yesterday.
gap.
YM was bullish with us yesterday.
Yeah.
Today it is not like whatsoever bullish. 10:45.
If YM flips this 5-minute gap, ROC, this thing looks good, bro, for upside.
Facts. Facts.
Dude.
Oh, bro.
I'm using the deviation on YM. It
This-
lines up right with midnight open. Like to the tick.
That's a nice move.
That would be a nice target. I'll take that. If we flip this 5-minute, I'll take that. On YM.
Looks like NASDAQ may be the best one, the strongest one today, right?
NASDAQ? Let me see. Yeah, NASDAQ is
Or is it
stronger than...
ES?
No. Hold on. No, NASDAQ is stronger than ES today. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. We're seeing exactly what we want to see. I'm gonna go to YM here. Micro Dow. Rock, I think I'm gonna try some longs here on the Dow. The Dow.
Yeah, I'm
Just
drawing
be-
up a NASDAQ play. Same idea. As soon as Dow gives confirmation, I'm gonna buy NASDAQ.
Cause the Dow is about to flip this 5-minute, bro, and
It'll be
we hit the daily order block.
like 9 contracts here. Yeah, I like it too, bro. I'm actually gonna buy this, and I think I gotta give it a chance now, bro. Damn it, it just took off without me, bro. Oh wait, it should pull back now.
Okay, so if the Dow close here,
Yeah, I'm in the longs, bro. And it's gonna rip too. I might get in YM too.
yeah, I'm in on YM
not?
here. I'm gonna try some longs here. I'm gonna put a super tight stop
Fire.
though, like super tight. Just because, why not? You know. I guess
26, 174. I got a terrible feel on NASDAQ, but
this 5-minute needs to flip this gap, man. Come on. Ah, dude. Come on. Flip the gap. Flip the gap, please. Pretty, please.
it's still pretty early. We should be good. We should be able to get that though. Maybe within the next 15 minutes it'll flip. Yeah, I'm gonna send YM to VIP too, bro. It'll be 48,
Oh,
5,
there we
7, 587.
go. There we go. That's what I want to see. Okay, so I'm gonna leave this trade on. This is gonna be break even right here. This is gonna be break even, guys. Break even. This is my entry, that's my stop. And let's let it ride. I'll be back. Okay, so can you hear me, Rock?
Yeah. Looking for YM to catch up here as well. NASDAQ looking pretty solid. I hate my fill on YM. I'm at NASDAQ, but
Okay, so I put my
I
chart
hate
up
my
if you
fill
want to
on the
see.
NASDAQ, but it's not terrible. What happened?
I said I put my we really need Dow to displace here, man. Like now. It needs to like go right now. Otherwise
It looks
it's like,
fine though. It looks fine just because how far we moved lower without taking out any highs.
yeah.
And like you said, you hit that deviation level, you got higher time frame support, and you got strength still showing on NASDAQ and ES.
Yes, exactly. But I want this 3-minute closure bullish for
So
this
yeah,
because when
it's a matter of time.
when you're bullish, all of the time frames have to follow bullish order flow. Like you don't want to. I don't know if I told you this, but I have like this 3 PDRA rule where like if I see 3 PDRAs get disrespected, I close the trade. That's how I save myself a lot of like taking
That's smart.
huge
Yeah.
L's.
Save yourself a headache.
Yeah. It's like if you see a order block get disrespected, a bullish order block get disrespected, or sorry, bullish order block get disrespected, you see an inversion for value gap, and then you see a like a displacement candle with SMT, like that's just, those are all signs that it's going against you, you know.
Facts, yeah.
Oh, you're up nicely, bro. You got, not nicely, I mean, sorry, you're
Yeah, NASDAQ should lead the way, bro.
oh dude, you're chilling on Nasdaq right now. I bought the weakest pair, bro.
YM will catch up though. It usually just like expands quickly, so you want to get in before that happens.
What's spooky right now is this 15-minute OB, bro. The 15-minute OB is causing price not to be able to. It needs to start displacing here. But you said it should do it. Bro, Nasdaq is going crazy, bro. What the heck? There we go, YM. There we go. That's what we like to see, YM. That's what we want to see, Mr. YM. No, don't reject. Come on. Come on, bro. Give us some follow through, bro. That's not what we want to see. If we No closer below here now. I'm gonna cut this if if we don't start seeing speed here in the next 5 minutes. That just means that YM just wants to float lower here. Yeah.
Don't worry, bro. It's on the way, bro. This is the same trade we took yesterday. It's gonna randomly just rip through the sky. I got a terrible feel on NASDAQ though, bro. That's kind of blowing me. I would have been close to TP by now. Terrible feel. NASDAQ is ripping right now. Go. Come on, kick in the hyper blast.
I should have bought NASDAQ, bro. I don't know why I bought the Dow.
All three of y'all.
Come on.
It's gonna move somewhat, so you know it's gonna give you something. Got about 30 points right now. We're looking for 47, 50 points or so. It should blast off here, bro.
Yeah, NASDAQ's gonna blast off. That's just so weird that Dow is not following, and it's just like lackluster.
I think 11:30 will do it.
Yeah, if we can't here, if we just close super bearish, then I'll take a small paper cut today. I'm fine with it. I don't want to see closure below this low right here. This will make me bearish.
Let me
Right
put your
here.
screen up.
Yeah, that was a no-go.
YM pulling, I mean not YM, Nasdaq pulling back a good bit too right now, bro.
Yeah, bro, I'm gonna take it. I mean, I took a $180 paper cut on that. I just gave back some of my Asia profits, but it's okay. You still in the Nasdaq trade?
Wow. I might get out at break even if it.
Yeah.
It's way, bro. I was just up 500. It's at $90 now.
Yeah, I'm not gonna hold that. That was too bearish. I'd rather just take. Oh, man.
Yeah. Where we at? 4-hour chart.
You can put it back to your chart now. I'm not in a trade anymore.
Oh yeah, my bad.
Yeah.
Looking at these 4-hour levels, see if anything makes sense to my left here. YM. Yeah, this is officially not for me either, bro.
Yeah, I know. You're getting bearish order flow now.
Way too aggressive.
Yeah.
Yeah, way too aggressive.
We're literally 3 handles, no, not 3, 6 handles away from all-time highs in ES. This is like a perfect time to start doing some tomfoolery, if you think. Scare some people out of their buys.
Apparently, yeah, this is.
This 5-minute OB should be a good area for you to hold. Like this OB should hold this 5-minute OB that you have.
Technically, but I don't even want to see all of this, so.
Yeah. So ugly, and like the 3-minute, 5 minutes ugly, 15-minute, 30-minute just straight like choo.
So I'm looking at this order flow, man. We have another order block being tapped into. so I can't be too afraid. If we get a quick reaction out of here, nice wick with this 5-minute bearish move. Bro, actually, yeah, no, this is not. Yeah, get me out of that. Get me out of that. I'm out of that. Everything, close everything. Do you see oil, bro?
No.
Oil is bullish. There's no way we're bullish. YM is telling the truth here. Yeah, hold on. Let me see. VIP, sorry about that. This better not, bro. Oh my goodness, this better not. I just closed my NASDAQ position and it pumps. I don't think we're bearish on gold. I'm sorry, oil. So I think this is gonna be your short right here.
On NASDAQ? Yeah.
Yeah, I like the shorts.
If oil is going up, then
Yeah, I like the shorts.
let's look at some
Let me
shorts.
just check overnight real quick. Overnight was bearish for oil. So we should see a nice pump overnight for NASDAQ. Oh no, pure accumulation here.
I just
We
don't
got
like the
London
time.
buys, shorts.
The time, bro.
Yeah,
the
like what time it is right now. Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
It is
Shorts at 11:30.
garbage.
I don't know, man. I'm just gonna take my small W and I think I'm gonna walk away, bro. I'm gonna call it a day here. There's always tomorrow, Rock.
That's a good move.
So
Yeah, that's a good
yeah.
move.
Hey man, at least we we stayed patient, stick to the game plan.
We tried.
Yeah, we tried. This is
At least
trading,
we
man.
tried.
But identifying when the trade is no good, and it's risk management, bro. Like, we trying to save ourselves, and then sometimes NASDAQ gets your ass, making you get out of your trade too early,
Yeah, but it's not really the cleanness. YM is making it difficult for anything to happen here.
Yeah. See, that's why I got out. I got out at the 11:29 candle because I knew that it's not bullish. It's not showing. It's just lackluster.
Yeah.
See, that's how you
Facts.
save yourself a full stop out.
Yeah, it's really. It's holding price back here, which makes me think lower what. But I don't really care for it at the same time, so.
Technically, you could be looking for shorts here on NASDAQ if we do get this M3 continuation. So this 3-minute you know, this fair value gap's getting respected, but there's no other confluences. Like there's no higher time frame sweep, no SMT. You're just shorting it just because it
Yeah.
looks short, you know.
Facts. If I were to short, it would be off of this failed attempt to go higher.
Yeah. Same, like same, exactly. That
In
would be that.
confluence with this YM
And then where would
failure.
you target? Like something like this. 50 handles, risk
To be
like
honest,
30.
bro, I would literally just target somewhere around 10 a.m. Something like that. But this is killing my vibe because I wanted the buys, bro.
Yeah.
And it's gonna rip without me.
Oh fuck. I think all right, bro. I think I'm gonna head out. I'm not trading no more. I'm done. I'll see. Yeah.
Yeah, bro. I feel that.
Yeah. Hey man, I hope you catch a banger though, like for the stream at the end.
Bro, I got 20 minutes. I'm gonna give, well, maybe 25, 30 minutes. I'm gonna give it until like 12:15.
Yeah.
Because I know that 12 o'clock volume can make a difference at times.
That's true. Yeah, just
And that's
remember
it, bro.
ES
After that, I'm out.
Yeah, ES is 10 handles away from all-time highs. Just if you do get in a long position, just be aware that it might reverse once hitting that all-time high. You know what I mean?
Right.
Yeah.
Exactly, yeah.
All right, man. Well, it was nice. It's nice chatting up. Nice talking to you
Yeah,
guys.
they just robbed me, bro. They just robbed me, bro. Look at this, bro. Oh my goodness. NASDAQ is ripping again, bro. Why is YM so stupid, bro? What is it doing? Like, bro, do something.
Bro, screw these.
Literally.
Screw NASDAQ.
You know how high NASDAQ would be if YM could just break a little bit? Like, come on, kid.
All right, man. I'll see you, bro. Okay. Allah, man. Peace.
All right, yeah, bro. I'll
Yeah,
catch you
bro.
later.
See you, brother. Bye.
Yes,
Peace
sir,
out.
bro. Crazy. Are you guys seeing how they really just scammed me out of my buy? There goes TP. Bro, I was long. I was long in here. Stop under here. There goes TP. YM is like really starting to make me want to sign off. It's defeating the purpose of the buys. Bro, this is so clean, kid. Like, I might stop watching YM for a little bit. Stuff like this is... it's just unexplainable. You know what I mean? How is everything else so strong? But good read on the chart. What I'm looking for now is, are we able to flip bearish, or is YM able to stop scamming lower? and then just trade higher. And I'm looking to see, like, how would I even draw up this? Okay, so the 4-minute chart is what I would use. We have this 36 order block here, right? We push down into it, close through here. All right, with this closure through 1108, I'm going down to the 1 minute. And I want to see price offer something strong here. So yeah, it's the same thing. You see this down close candle at 1103. And then we close through it, pull back, retest the same area. Look at it, guys. Tell me this order block right here is not responsible for the buyers. It's holding up again. We broke out the first time, right? We pull back, and now if we can get back above this weekly open, get back above this EMA here, you have to consider the buys on YM. It says, oh, you say YM does its own thing at times. Yeah, you're right. The thing is, YM is supposed to be the how you say, the most valuable when it comes to price, right? So if the markets are bullish, genuinely bullish, just like yesterday, you're gonna see YM offer a beautiful buy. All right, simply because YM has the higher price, YM has a lot of valuable stocks inside of the index. So here, if we're truly bullish today, YM will not stay down here all day. It's gonna rip higher, and I'll be able to catch this. Bro, this is crazy, bro. I think I have to play YM here because NASDAQ and ES looks so clean. And we're getting a nice discount on YM. If I take a loss on YM, I don't mind it. You know what I mean? It's not gonna be the end of the trading week. It's not gonna blow anything. So I think it's only right that we get a clean buy here. But you have to catch a 100% verified breakout. So right now we're still underneath this previous weekly high. We're still underneath this EMA. So only thinking about buying above this 48,558 level. A strong move above here, I will buy it knowing that the stock that's priced at 48K should be able to move better than the stock that's priced at 26K and 7K. And these are showing no signs of weakness, like none. Look at the bearish candles. You get 1 5-minute bearish candle, continuation. 1 5-minute bearish candle, continuation. 1 5-minute bearish, continuation. And then over here, if we go to 5-minute, as I mentioned, we close through this bearish candle, pull back to the lows of it, and you see the rejection. So I'm not imagining that this could be bullish. I'm just waiting for these areas down here. I'm waiting patiently for these areas to hold. Flip that EMA, flip this previous weekly high, and we should see a really nice move. Even if it's only back up to this, like, let's go like a 65-point stop to be safe. Even if it's only back to the 10 a.m. price, right? Notice we haven't retested 10 a.m. Notice the power of 3. Notice these lows being swept over and over. All right. So if price flips bullish, it has at least 100 points it could target for us before anything weird happens. And if it doesn't break out here, then there's no trade to be made. I just missed out on this one right here. This was the banger. I got stop break even here. But like I mentioned, it's only 11:49. 12 o'clock can bring in a lot of volume. Let me check Financial Juice website, see if there's anything later, and not seeing anything. Yeah, we're chilling. So let me draw this up. I can get in with a one contract here, right? Or maybe 2 contracts. Tighter stop. 60 points. Yeah, like that. 2 contracts like that. And it's only right. Like, you feel me? You feel what I'm saying? Like, I'm not letting my personal bias get in the way here. I'm just reading price action. This is bullish. And YM has some catching up to do. And it typically does. So that's why I think it's worth a shot if we can get back above here. And it looks like it wants to, right? So yeah, so I think I'm doing the right thing here, giving this a chance. It doesn't have to hit every time, but it should hit more times than not. 600. Yeah, nice. Yeah, let's get a nice close above. You see that 4-minute EMA was the reason we slammed lower. So if we can start breaking structure, closing past these bearish candles without taking out this low, this will be your lower high. And price should start trending higher off of it. So that's it, man. That's my last trade idea. And if you want it to be like extra safe, you could even wait for price to break this EMA. The reason I'm not gonna wait is because the other 2 are well past this EMA. This is crazy, bro. Gold is back in bullish territory. SMT. London high taken out. I don't know, bro. If this ends up being bearish, this is the weirdest bear structure you could ask for. Nice. Yeah, it didn't take out the low. Yeah, it's just a matter of like, is price stuck because it's not allowed to take off yet? Or is it not ever going to take off and it's just waiting for these 2 to hit something, take out some liquidity, and then short, I think there's way too many bullish confluences on NASDAQ and ES. But great read on price. Like, I'm very impressed with how we're able to read these charts. This has been, we've only had 1 trade signal and it was flawless on NASDAQ. We have 1 trade signal on YM, which still hasn't been invalidated. It's just chopping around here. And if this ends up breaking out higher once again, it'll go down as a really clean analysis. But you see the rejection. You see what's stopping YM. I think personally, it's just going to wait until 12 o'clock. And then the switch is just going to flip. And we're either going to sell off aggressively or we're going to continue higher. So that's what I'll do. Daily levels. What level are we at here? Let's see. Oh yeah, we are at this previous daily high, which was Wednesday. Yeah, Wednesday. Previous weekly high sitting right here. Definitely a nice target there. At this point, it's just this is where the markets like to just waste people's life. You know what I mean? We have had a ton of volatility the past 2 days, and then now you may see price start chopping. There goes YM rejecting that previous weekly high. I would love to short, guys. Come on, give us a short, man. Yeah, I think it's gonna go short now. Finally, my goodness, bro, get out of my face. Yeah, let's see here. We tapped into that daily level. Let's start ripping through these fair value gaps. That would be ideal. Let's see. 5-minute chart has been so distorted lately. 4-minute order block looks clean. Highlight that. 4-minute order block looks clean. Move this over. So it's important for price to get through this green zone here. This is where we took the trade idea earlier. It held up perfectly. So if price does tap into here again, you can see a similar bounce if it wants to hold it. YM, I don't know, bro. I really personally just think that this is a delayed buy. But I'm only going to give price like another 20 minutes to impress me here before I just run away, take my break even. VIP, they caught the YM trade, so actually VIP. Yeah, so either we just sweep this low and give another flip, or this is about to be a textbook short right now. We got this order block. We got SMT. I'm going to erase this. Unfortunately, I did not hold that NASDAQ buy. You got the SMT here. All right, you see how this 1148 high was not taken over here. Got the SMT there. You got the tap into here. And then the same thing here would be 48, 45. Oh yeah, tripping. 4-minute chart. Same thing here. This will be your high. And then you just want to see this hold up right now with this retest. If it's truly bearish, it should reject here. looking at CE of the wick on NQ on my chart. Yes, it's taking daily swing high. Daily chart. I'm not using the current contracts. Let me switch over real quick. Let me see. Current contract. Yes. Yeah, see, we've taken that out there. We're almost at this level here. Oh, that's the weekly, sorry. Daily. Tapping into here. Taking out those. Yeah, we've taken out so much liquidity, bro. You would think it would want to short, but it's just not so far. We're chilling. Like I said, I don't really want to force anything today. If it doesn't want to give a clean play, then so be it. But I think the way YM keeps failing is giving us a clue that it's about to short. All right, yeah, let's see here. Close through it, yeah. I want to see price start flipping here. Last 30 minutes here. You're just now joining in. We took one buy here, got stopped at break even right here, and it ripped straight up. I was looking for about 50 points though, so it still wouldn't have hit TP so far. All right, yeah. So at this point, I'm gonna try this long on ES. Everything clean. Break, just so you guys can see what I'm seeing. This was the first level. We broke it, retested, closed through this order block, retested the yellow zone, buy signal. Break, pull back, close through this bullish candle, retested this order block, which is highlighted with the yellow. And you see price is clearly maintaining this down close candles range right here. So I'm gonna draw this up here and I'm looking for 50 clear. About 20 contracts on the buy. Yeah. Oh crap. 20 contracts on the buy. Type this up. Yes. And I'm long there, man. The price that I get. 7,034. Bro, NASDAQ is making this a lot harder than it needs to be, bro. We just took this high way faster than everything else. Man. See if we can get a rally here. what are you gonna do? All right, here we go. How many points was that? 6. YM is such a joke, bro. I just wish this would be a lot simpler. You know what I mean? Like, we should be able to buy YM at an extreme discount here, but it refuses to give you that luxury. Now part of me wants to just kill this, bro. Like, you know, we've seen this trade plenty of times, and every time we see this, I always check for YM to make sure YM isn't going to be the one that holds us back, right? And today, YM is not bullish. I think I gotta be smart here and just cut this, bro. So stupid, man. I'll play this closely, bro. If I see anything I don't like here, I'll just cut it and call it a day, because YM is a part of the family, whether we like it or not. If YM bleeds lower, it'll drag us lower. I would rather have a short too. You know what I mean? So I'm watching this very closely. I might as well go break even right now, to be honest. Oil is in no man's land. Yeah, guys, I'm not gonna do this to myself today. Let's see what happens here. Give us a bounce. Hey, buddy, get down. I'm watching this with quick fingers here. Yeah, VIP, go ahead, move to break even. I will be manually exiting this trade if YM can't cooperate. It's just too obvious that it's about to go lower. All right, there we go. That's not bad. That's not a bad reaction. You just want to see speed, bro. Like, we've been chopping in this area for a long time, since 10:30. It's pretty much 12:30 now. 5-minute candle close through. Yeah, this is a good spot for break even, guys. If you're like me and you really don't want to take a loss today. 11:55, we close through that. Yeah, 11:55. Such a scam, man. It's like it's bullish, but YM is holding it back. That's the vibes that I'm getting here. So yeah, get ready to get out of here and wrap it up. Imagine this actually ends up really bullish. It'd be such a scam. Buddy, get down. Elijah, you better get in trouble. How is this even real, bro? This isn't real. Get down. All right, yeah. Yeah. He said I would take a leave for the rest of the week. That goes break even for me. Knowing this price action, it'll stop me out at break even and rip again, just like it did me over here. And there it is. Never fails. But the way I'm looking at it is, YM should give you a chance. Bro, what are the odds? Takes me out 2-point move immediately after. But yeah, man, when I look back at my notes, I think I'll be happy with how I managed today. The one thing I would say is, why is YM refusing to go higher? It makes you want to short, but these are not giving any short signals. Crazy, man. NASDAQ, good job, man. I have to put this in my notes right now. Hold on. Close, pull back, break, pull back. Here, this was your buy, right? But I think it was this one too. Yeah, it was this one right here. Tap into this yellow zone. Close through that down close candle. Stops here. About a 30-point stop, looking for 50 points. You can't beat that, kid. I think it was like 35. You cannot beat that, bro. And look at this. I think it's just begging me not to make money today, bro. This is too easy. Somehow it just refuses to translate on YM as if it knows I'm watching YM as well. But it's okay. You can't catch them all, I guess. Because yesterday's trade, like if we go look at YM yesterday when we took the buy. All right, this is where we were around like 11, right? YM is nowhere near bearish. We're trending just like the other markets were trending. Yet over here, you have no sign of bullishness. While these two just rip and print money. Oh no, look at this. Bro, we drew up 2 amazing trades today that YM just ruined. Ruined for us. Let me see something here. Where's that 2-minute EMA? We break this. Oh, I'll take that back. We broke the 2-minute already. It's the 4-minute. The 4-minute EMA is slamming YM lower. But 12:05, 12:10. Where's that down close candle? Here it is, right here. You can see the bullishness. Now it's starting to step up. It's after 12 o'clock. What do you guys think? I want to try this. Let me see. I might eval this one because these are too clean, man. We just drew up another trade that got spoiled. Because of YM's laziness. There we go. Starting to see some life. My goodness, bro. A 50-point stop would be how many cons? 2 contracts. Literally just target the last rejection, which would have been up here. About 1.4. Let me do this real quick. Yeah, I gotta buy this if we can get a nice push here on YM. I want to catch it. We're finally showing some sort of bullishness here. 2 contracts is 500. Two minis, right? Yeah, 2 minis. Boom, boom, boom. Waiting for this 5-minute candle to close through this down close candle again. And we should start seeing the same formation over here, right? Where you see ES closing through down close candles. Really nice, really nice. NASDAQ as well. A second stage, another stage of accumulation here. All right, nice. So now I'm looking for, what time was this order block? 12:10. Yeah, I'm gonna have to buy this kid. Candle's about to close, right? It should rip like with no remorse here. And this is a trade where I'm gonna go eval and I'm just gonna put a stop in. And I'm just gonna let this play out because there's no reason for this not to blast here, guys. Yes, good move. You get this order block here at the same time. 5-minute chart, 12:10. And it might pull back. Hold on. It might pull back into this. Hold on. Let me draw this up. Yeah, that EMA. Yeah, all right. Kill all of that stuff up here. And I'm looking for price to maintain. We expect rejection off of this EMA. We've seen it twice already. 1, 2. So now when we get the rejection, you want to see price hold this this order block. It's amazing, bro. I'd be top taking these trades. It's like I'm forced to handle drawdown. But this will be the same protocol, and it could snake us, but it could snake lower before higher again. But because we saw YM give so much manipulation, I'm anticipating this right here, just a tap and go. Because every other bullish zone here, we got well below it, right? Well below it. So now I'm looking for a tap and go. Tap and go, tap and go. Let's go. Got a clean flip of this bearish candle, taps into this bearish candle, nice bullish reaction off of it. And we're tapping into it right now as we speak, so. He said his PA is bad. It is, it's bad, but when you know what to look for, bro, it's like it's more delayed than pointless. You know what I mean? It looks like YM and NASDAQ are on the same page, except for YM is just delayed. So if we get this break, I think YM has the opportunity to get back above 10 a.m., man. It's 12 o'clock. I'll give this literally 20 minutes to impress me. If not, it's going to have to go without me. But hypothetically speaking, every step of this move we've been calling buy. And here's your first clean reaction for a buy. If this doesn't hold up, then like I said, I don't want to even stick around any longer. All right, it's 12:30. Let's see if we can get a tap into this 30-minute candle range here. I'm gonna let this play out for the next 20-30 minutes, and I'm anticipating higher, but we could get scammed again. It's, you know, there's nothing stopping us from being scammed here. And there goes some heavy pressure, but it's right at the open. So that's a good sign of power of 3, right? You want to see some wick activity. Oh, I need some wicks. Come on. Wick it. We got this yellow zone here. Come on, wick, 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 wick. There we go. Bounce off something. Got that EMA there. Come on, where's YM? All right, there we go. All right, this should be it. If this isn't it, then I think we're just cooked, guys. This should, when I say fly, I mean like it should be like NASA, SpaceX. SMT on this drive here. Just bless us with a rocket ship of a move right now. There we go. More rejection, kid. Come on, don't do that. What do you know? Imagine if these sell off and then YM pumps. So we did get that drive back into this candle body like I would anticipate. Now we're just looking for a legitimate move, man. Like realistically, if I was okay with holding this all day, I would expect at least 10 a.m. to hit by market close. That would be, let's see what that would be on the fib. That would be just under 50% of this move down. I don't know, man. Is it really worth it? That's what I'm starting to weigh in on this. Is it really worth it? I'd rather just maybe give this 15 to 20 minutes max. Because it gave everything else, right? You get that new 30-minute open, you see price respect this previous 30-minute structure. And I want to see this EMA get shattered. Like we should fly through here. All right, so at this point, it's like, what else can happen, right? We tapped into this 1 hour fair value gap. We swept this 1 hour low on both NASDAQ and ES. All right, that was a deep move, yet we still haven't truly broken and retested anything. So if we're bearish, right, you would need to see price at least retest the areas I have highlighted. All right, so with that, like, I'm thinking, let's see if price actually goes bearish here, or does price rip through these red zones here. We have this attempt to go higher, close through, and you have this one up here. It's almost to the point where I would rather just buy one of these, but I'm already in YM. Actually, that sounds terrible. I don't think I want to trade this, bro. I already know as soon as I get out, it's going to do something that I've been waiting all day for, but I don't know if I really want to trade this, bro. It's way too much. You know what I mean? Like, if it requires all of this to make money, then I don't think I want it, bro. I'm just trying to be extra patient because it's holding these levels really nicely. We see 1, 2, now 3 really nice rejections from this low. This EMA, like I said, we expect some rejection off the EMA, but I don't expect it to make a new low. And it's not breaking that EMA, kid. It is wasting our time here. Wasting a good amount of time at that. It's almost 1 o'clock. We tap into this bearish gap. You're going to see rejection. I want to see if these lows right here can hold up, because nothing is telling us that price is ready to go lower yet. If we were extremely bearish and we didn't want to tap into anything up here, then all right, cool. But I don't see how price could just be so bearish out of nowhere. If it's going to be bearish, I think it gives us a clean break and retest. But at the same time, we do have a good exit price right now. I could get out with $100, $200 loss here. This is so lame. Like, I'm not really understanding why it would take so long for us to do absolutely nothing. Okay, yeah, this is dirty. Let me just what is it doing? What is it rejecting? 4 minute. I don't know, bro. Yeah, let me just call this a day here. 250, 300, don't even matter. Same difference, right? Hate getting out of trades early, bro. Part of me just want to let this stop me out. If I'm wrong, just stop me out, because there's so many reasons to buy this. We sweep this low SMT. If we can rip here, bro, I would just let this go. If not, I'm going to get out because it's taking too long to do absolutely nothing right now. We got the sweep here. All right, show us some life. Come on. Is there any bearish 1 minute gaps to look out for? Like, what is going on, bro? How could something be so stuck and not be bearish at the same time? Yeah, all right. Let me get here. All right. That's all for me, man. And I can almost guarantee you this is probably going to skyrocket now that I'm out, but I'll take the small loss and just enjoy the rest of my day. See what tomorrow has. I'm already on here way longer than I anticipated. Oh yeah, I'll take that and just run away. Who cares if it rips or not? It's probably not. Look at it, yeah. All right, cool, man. So all in all, not terrible. I wish I would have held my buys earlier. I'll have to screenshot today and see if anything made sense. But 3 trades, 2 break evens, 1 partial loss, small loss here. But it's all really just because of what time it is and how long it's been sitting here bearish. All right, you would think by now price would have switched the algorithm and started taking out highs, but price is still going sideways. So I'm gonna leave it at that. Hopefully everyone had a decent session, not a terrible session, right? As long as it's not terrible, you'll be good. I'll catch you guys tomorrow, same time. Hopefully we get a better session. I may stop looking at YM altogether this week. Something's off with YM. YM's doing its own thing, like completely. No signs of anything that I could trade, right? Even if I was bearish, well, I'll take that back. If we were bearish, maybe you could have shorted here, this candle. If you were bearish, you could have shorted this candle, but you wouldn't have had any confluence to go with it. Gold still chopping around. Everything's pretty much chilling right now. So I'm gonna get out of here. I really want to know how this ends up, but it's not worth sticking around all day, if you ask me. Catch you guys tomorrow. God bless, all right? All right, cool. Well done, well done. I can live with that.